Of course, we are working on super cool tech, but in the end, it's our vision to become the world's leading autonomous trucking solution. And for that, you need to build a profitable, scalable business. So everything must be production intent, it must be reliable, it must be easy to use. And of course, you also need to hit the cost points, both in operations, but also in the hardware. And here, a fully integrated solution based on this wonderful truck, the Cascadia, that's the foundation to achieve these goals.